Good evening, students. Is it audible? Okay, we will start with the class. Just 1 minute. Okay, as you can see there, you have a PPT. You have a PPT which is representing the blueprint. Already we have completed all physics chapters. Yes. So total we have 14 chapters. So 14 chapters only according to the new exam pattern. So nimugottide last year in the MCQs fill in the blanks introduce agide. You can see there we have the fill in the blanks. 5 fill in the blanks will be there. Matte MCQs total 15 MCQs irutte. If you are able to see the blueprint, ಎರಡು MCQs barutte on the electromagnetic induction, correct? And remaining all chapters carries 1 MCQs. And fill in the blanks 5 will be there. So options enilla, all 15 MCQs are compulsory. All 5 fill in the blanks are compulsory. Next comes to the long answers. So adralli first 2 marks igirutte. In the 2 marks, total you will be having 8 questions. Out of 8 questions, you are writing there 5 questions. Then next 3 marks. So 3 marks again. So 3 marks again, 8 questions will be there. Out of that, you are writing the 5 questions. Okay. Then next, numerical based questions and the long answers. Long answers antandre derivations barutte. Okay. So in the derivation part, fixed lessons in the derivations keltare. You can see there yav lesson in the mark madidare anta. So you have the electrostatics and potential. Next, current, electricity. Then next, moving charges and magnetism. Okay, 3 questions will be there out of 3. And you will be having 3 questions will be there. You are writing 2 from that. Then after that, you have numerical problems. So numerical problems irutte. 5 marks numerical problem will be there. Number of questions will be asked 4. Out of 4, you are going to write only 2 aste. Okay, last year adrikinta modle hegirtittu, you used to write out of 5 3 baritidri. Now out of 4 you are writing only 2. So idu nimage advantage anta helbodu, because physics alli many people will face the problems in the numericals only. Hauda? So numericals alli problem agutte balastu janrige. Therefore here whatever you have, it is good anta helbodu, because only 2 numericals you can solve in that. Okay. So first column al nodbodu, you have the number of questions. MCQs 15, fill in the blanks 5. Short answers andre 2 marks addu 9 irutte. Out of 9, you are going to write only 5. So adu 10 marks carry madutte. Then next 3 marks. So in the 3 marks, again 9 questions will be there. You are writing 5 you are writing. Then long answers. Long answers andre mainly new derivations ana baritira adralli. Okay na? So derivations will be there. Okay. So now So if you see the weightage, so weightage anna nodidre ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ yes, somebody is asking numericals will be there from which chapter? Somebody is asking for the numericals. So numericals anna ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ numericals you have from first topic, third topic, ಮತ್ತೆ ray optics and optical instruments. So ಈ 3 lessons ಇಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Sometimes, so very rarely they will change the pattern. ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೆಟರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೀಗ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ already important questions we have covered. Today we are going to discuss the model paper. So nim question paper pattern antu already gottittu, just I have revised it. Now we will go for the question answers. Okay, so I'll share the PPT of the question paper. Just give me 1 second, I'll share that. Okay, somebody please give me. Okay, PPT is visible to everyone. Yes, students. So here you have the model question paper. Okay, so instructions ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬಹುದು. You can see there, that is all parts are compulsory. So part A, part B, part C, part D ಅಂತ 4 parts ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Out of that, first MCQs ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So directly I'll go for the question answers so that it will help you to understand the concept also. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So concepts ಅನ್ನ already discuss ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿ, blueprint ಪ್ರಕಾರನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You can see the first question which is there from the first topic, electric charge and the field. ಹೌದಾ? See that a glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth. The charge acquired by the glass rod is. So ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, you are free to tell me answer in the chat box. I'll repeat the question. A glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth. The charge acquired by the glass rod is. So as you can see there, you have 4 options: negative, positive, 0, positive on one end and negative on the opposite end. Yes, what is your answer, students? Glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth. The charge acquired by the glass rod. So ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 3 methods ಇದೆ to charge the bodies. So ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ? That is charging by friction, charging by conduction, charging by induction ಅಂತ. ಹೌದಾ? So ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ example ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that example is based on the charging by friction ಅಂತ. That is nothing but you have a glass rod. You are rubbing this glass rod with a silk cloth. So silk cloth ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ rub ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ charge ಗೆ glass rod ಗೆ ಯಾವ charge acquire ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Yes, Vedavati is saying option B and many students are answering me. That is option B, that is positive charge. Yes, very good. That answer is correct. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, so let us go for the next question. Hope so the concept is clear to everyone. So 3 methods ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Conduction ಅಲ್ಲಿ same charge induce ಆಗತ್ತೆ, induction ಅಲ್ಲಿ different charge induce ಆಗತ್ತೆ, and same with the that is friction method. The second question: a spherical conductor of radius r is carrying a charge plus q. The ratio of the electric potential corresponding to the point on the surface of the conductor and a point at a distance of r by 2 from the center of the conductor r in the ratio. So question ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ lengthy ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ question. That is you have a spherical conductor. So spherical conductor ಇದೆ spherical shape ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು radius ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. This is having a radius of r and this is carrying a charge of plus q. So plus q charge ಇದೆ. The ratio of electric potential corresponding to a point on the surface of the conductor at a distance of r by 2. So r by 2 distance ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು potential ratios ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so this is based on the second topic. Correct, students? So ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ so that you can compare. So first topic ಇಂದ ಒಂದು MCQs ಆಯ್ತು. Now we are proceeding to the second MCQs, which is from the second topic. Okay, so as you know that, so ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, electric potential ಅನ್ನ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we denote the electric potential with a symbol V, and K is the electrostatic constant. ಇದ್ರ value 1/4 pi epsilon naught ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, Q is the charge of the spherical conductor. So ಈ spherical conductor charge ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, Q ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, and R is the distance, and R is the distance from the center of the conductor. So in that case, here the potential, so potential in ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, potential they are asking it with respect to the center and with respect to the distance of r by 2. ಹೌದಾ? So therefore here the ratio will be 1:2 ಅಂತ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ratio ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 1:2 ಅಂತ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. because ನೀವು potential expression ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ, 1/4 pi epsilon naught q divided by r ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ therefore ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, r ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ r by 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. therefore the ratios will be 1:2. Yes, yargu gottilla answer. Nobody answered this. So I'll go for the next question. Third question ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಿಳಿಯಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ. The third question is the resistivity of a metallic conductor with a decrease in temperature. So this is on the third topic. Hodala? So third topic melide. The resistivity of a metallic conductor dash with a decrease in the temperature. So options alli increases anta ide, decreases anta ide. First increases, then decreases. First decreases, then increases. So as you know that the resistivity is denoted by the letter rho. So resistivity anna navilli rho inda denote ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟಿವಿಟಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Okay, who is answering? That is, so Vedavati is saying option B, that is decreases. What about other students? See here, you remember that is resistivity is directly proportional to temperature. So resistivity ಮತ್ತೆ temperature ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they are directly proportional. Understanding? Here, what is resistivity? Resistivity is nothing but what? It is the resistance. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ resistance ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? When you have the length 1 meter and the area is 1 meter square, then your resistivity is said to be what? Resistance ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು resistivity ಅನ್ನ resistance ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, here it means that resistance ಗೆ temperature ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ effect ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, the same way it will affect your resistivity. So therefore the correct answer is what? It is increases. So temperature decrease ಆದಾಗ resistivity increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is sorry, decreases. Vedavati, you are correct. Sorry, here they have specified decrease in temperature. I thought it is increase in temperature. So as I am saying you, it is directly proportional. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ question ಅಲ್ಲಿ decrease in temperature ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So temperature decrease ಆದ್ರೆ obviously resistivity ಕೂಡ decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Option B, your answer is correct. Yes. So go for the fourth question, students. See the fourth question. The Lorentz force is the force on a charged particle moving in a region containing. The Lorentz force is the force on a charged particle moving in a region containing only electric field, only magnetic field, both electric and magnetic field, only crossed electric and magnetic fields. Yes, all are saying option C. So option C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, both electric and the magnetic field. Option D ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, crossed electric and the magnetic fields. Yes, yes, option C is the correct answer here, students. So option C is correct. Yes, all are ready for the exams ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. It is a good sign. Okay, so see the next question. Please keep yourself mute, students. Okay, nodi. Next question, fifth question. So the fifth question is, below are the statements related to magnetic field lines. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ statement ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Most of the students ನೀವು 10th standard ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ question answers ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಿರಬಹುದು. So see, there are two statements. That first statement is the magnetic field lines do not intersect ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Second statement ಅಲ್ಲಿ the direction of magnetic field at a point is unique ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ choose ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, out of 4 options see both the statements are true or both the statements are false. First statement is related with the second statement or it is not related. So ನೀವು ABCD options ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Both the statements 1 and 2 are correct, and second is the correct explanation for first. ನೀವು 10th standard ಅಲ್ಲಿ assertion reasons questions ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. So if you are appearing for the JEE and NEET exam, there also you can see such type of questions. Yes, both are true. A option. The magnetic field lines do not intersect. The direction of the magnetic field lines at a point is unique. Yes, A option is correct here. So A option is correct. That is, both the statements are correct. But the second statement is related to the first statement. It is 100% right. So the intersect adre enagatte anta andre we cannot show the direction. That's why they do not intersect with each other, as they are having the unique direction. Okay, so go for the 6th question and tell me the answer. A straight conductor of length L is moving with a velocity V in the direction of uniform magnetic field of strength B. The magnitude of the EMF induced between the ends of the conductor is. Yes. Yes. A option. So everybody agree with this option? Yes. That is, a straight conductor of length L is moving with a velocity V in the direction of uniform magnetic field B. The EMF induced is given by BLV. Is given by BLV. Correct. Okay, go for the 7th question, students. So 7th question is, the SI unit of magnetic flux is. Yes, very simple question, direct question it is. Magnetic flux. C. That is Weber. What about magnetic field? Magnetic field then baratte. Magnetic field, magnetic flux unit. Yes, magnetic field idre Tesla agatte. Magnetic flux will be Weber. So it is correct answer. Yes. Go for the next question. The average power dissipated in an AC, the average power dissipated in an AC circuit is maximum if the AC source is connected only to pure resistor, only to pure inductor, only to pure capacitor, to a series combination of capacitor and inductor. Andre LC agatte. Edralli power dissipation will be maximum. A. Yes, very good. A option is correct. Only to a pure resistor is the correct answer. Go for the next question. The electromagnetic waves with lowest frequency, the electromagnetic waves with lowest frequency among the following are. This lowest frequency: gamma rays, UV rays, microwaves, radio waves. Yes, correct, Danush. Yes, correct, Sita. Radio waves again, the lowest frequency will be there. Okay, go for the question number 10. A ray of light coming from an object which is incident parallel to the principal axis to a convex lens placed in a air after reflection. A ray of light coming from an object which is incident parallel to the principal axis of a convex lens placed in air after refraction appears to diverge from first principal focus, emerges without any deviation, appears to diverge from second principal focus, passes through the second principal focus. Yes, so what about other students? emerges without any deviation, which is incident parallel to the principal axis of a convex lens in air after refraction ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So parallel to the principal axis ಇದ್ದದ್ದು after refraction ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? Appears to diverge from the first principal focus, emerges without deviation, appears to diverge from the second principal axis focus, passes through second principal focus. It is option D. Correct option is option D. Okay. So option D is the correct option. Okay. Go for the 11th question. In unpolarized light of intensity I naught is passed through a polaroid, the intensity of emergent light is I naught by 4, 2 I naught by 3, I naught by 3, I naught by 2. Yes, it is I naught by 2. Okay, option D is the correct answer. So go for the next question. Question number 12 hogi. See. The following are the statements related to photo emission. So photoelectric effect, photo emission related. So see the statement, 4 statements ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Photoelectric current is independent of intensity of incident radiation. Stopping potential is different for different photosensitive metal surface. For a radiation of particular frequency, maximum speed of photoelectrons is independent of frequency of the incident radiation. Saturation current is different for radiations of different intensities having same frequency. So ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. First and 3, first and 2, third and 4th, second and 4th. Yes, you can think over it. I'll give you 1 minute time. So read ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. I want all the students to answer this. Yes, sir. Third and 4th. Stop. Photoelectric current is independent of intensity of incident radiation. Option A, first and third is correct. Maximum speed of photoelectrons is independent of frequency, independent of intensity. So if you say for option C, the photoelectric effect is independent of intensity of incident radiation and frequency of the incident radiation. Yes, both are not, both are true or both are not true. But we define threshold frequency, no? Okay, go for question number 13. The minimum energy required to free the electron from the ground state of a hydrogen atom is. So this is from the atoms and the hydronuclei topic. The minimum energy required to free the electron from the ground state of a hydrogen atom is 0.85 electron volt, 3.4 electron volt, 13.6 electron volt, 1.51 electron volt. Yes. Yes, very good. 13.6 electron volt. C is the correct answer. Go for question number 14. The radioactive decay in which a helium nucleus is emitted is called. So helium atom ಎದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ release ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Gamma decay, alpha decay, negative beta decay, positive beta decay. Yes, it is alpha decay. Option B is the correct answer. So MCQs, we have the last question. Then we will proceed with the multiple choice. Sorry, fill in the blanks questions. So see the last question. In the given figure, so you have the example on the figure based question. The figure is shown in the slide. EV and EC are the valence band and the conduction band corresponding to an extrinsic semiconductor. So EC is the conduction band, EV is the valence band. E is the energy state corresponding to the impurity present in it. The impurity present in it can be. So impurities present in it can be. E is the energy state corresponding to impurity present in it. Arsenic, indium, phosphorus, antimony. B, B, C, D, all are giving one answer. EV and EC are the valence band and the conduction band corresponding to the extrinsic semiconductor. E is the energy state corresponding to the impurity state present in it. The impurity present in the can be. Yes, it is option B is the correct answer. Yes, B or C. Actually, three different answers I got. Yes, sure. B. Yes, it is indium. So C is the correct answer. Okay. Okay. Next question. Fill in the blanks. Yes, students. So here you have 5 fill in the blanks questions. You have the options kuda kottidare. So it is like a school question paper. So school question paper alli ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು. You will be having 5 MCQs questions. Bracket al answers irutte. You have to just choose. So question number ottige you can tell me the answers. I'll give you 2 minutes. So you can tell me in the chat box. Yes. So 17 is a generator, 19 is thermonuclear fusion. Yes, 17, 19, 17, only 17, 19. Remaining. Yes, others. So see the first question. A convenient way to increase the current sensitivity of a galvanometer is to dash the number of turns of the coil. The convenient way to increase the current sensitivity of a galvanometer is to dash the number of turns in the coil. So maximum decreases thermonuclear fusion, generator increases cell. So correct answer is increases. So ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Here the first one will be as you increase, it will increase. So this is for the first one. Second question, the device used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. It is a generator. So this is the second one. This is the first one. 18 question. If two waves coming from two coherent sources superimpose at a point and a phase, the intensity of light at the point is. Yes, it is. If two waves coming from two coherent sources superimpose at a point in phase, then the intensity of light at that point is. So you have maximum decreases. Correct? Yes, it is equal. Okay. So as you said, 19 again baratte, the source of energy output in the interior of the stars is thermonuclear fusion. Yes, it is fusion. Correct answer. The width of the depletion region, diode will dash on increasing the forward voltage. The width of the depletion region of a PN junction diode will dash on increasing the forward bias voltage. So here it will decrease. Okay, so illi decrease baratte. Illond bittidivi. That is, here we have mechanical energy into electrical energy. It is generator. Okay, only 18th one. If two waves coming from two coherent sources superpose at a point in phase, then the intensity of light at that point is. Yes. Okay. So correct. It is maximum. So option question 18 ige maximum baratte. Question 18 is maximum. Okay. Hope so all the fill in the blanks are clear to you. Okay, students. So next party hoganma. That is 2 marks questions. As I told you already, you will note both in the part B section. 9 questions are there. So total you have 9 questions. Out of 9 questions, you will be solving only 5. Okay, here you will get the options. New blueprint the already another photo tagondidre you just compare madi on what topic we have said the 2 marks questions will be asked. We have on the same topic. So see, mention any two basic properties of electric charges. So electric charges uddu ಎರಡು properties ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. It is conservative. Yes, it is conserved in nature, it is quantized, it is additive. It is the unlike charges repel and the like charges attract each other. Unlike charges attract and the like charges repel each other. It is a scalar quantity. We have so many properties for the electric charge. So electric charge ಮತ್ತೊಂದು possibilities ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they may ask the characteristics of electric field lines. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? So ಮತ್ತೊಂದು possible questions ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. They may ask you for the electric charge or the electric field lines. Go for next question. The amount of work done in bringing a point charge of 3 millicoulomb from infinity to a point P is 0.06 joule. Find the electric potential at the point P. So you need to calculate the electric potential at point P. The amount of work done in bringing a point charge of 3 millicoulomb from infinity to a point P is 0.06 joules. So work done is 0.06 joules. Find the electric potential. You have to calculate the find electric potential. The next quantity they have given is the charge. 3 millicoulomb anta kottidare. It is nothing but 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 coulomb agatte. And the work done value is given. So very simple question. Can anyone guess the answer? You have work done value, you have the charge, you need to calculate the potential. Yes, anybody can tell me the answer. 0.02 into 10 raised to 3. What about others? So how you have calculated? So if you see that we have the potential is equal to work done per unit charge, correct? So I don't know which method you are following. So simple it is, work done is the charge value with the you to use the potential actual formula, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r ella use ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ you don't have the r value here. Distance ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ and here we don't have any other method to calculate the distance. So for that reason what we need to do is we need to go for the basic formula, that is work done potential is equal to work done by charge. What is the work done? It is given the work done is 0.06 joules and the charge value is 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 coulomb, correct? So this you need to simplify. See, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. So as I told you, always I tell you in the class, if you are not understanding the decimals, you can go for the ratios and you can simplify it. So 0.06 divided by 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get it as what? 0.02 into 10 raised to minus 3 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ plus 3 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So it is 0.02 into 10 raised to 3, or else you can multiply that 0.02 into 10 raised to 3 also you can multiply. So 10 raised to 3 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the answer will be 20. So this is what the potential is measured in terms of volt, correct? Yes, correct. Okay. Yes, now you see that is this is on the second topic of the electric potential ಮೇಲೆ 2 marks in numerical ಬಂದಿದೆ. It is not that numericals are important only for the 5 marks questions. 2 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Go for the next question, question number 23. Write the expression for magnetic force per unit length between the two long straight parallel conductors carrying current. Give the nature of the force between the two parallel conductors carrying current in the same direction. Write the expression for magnetic force per unit length between two long straight parallel conductors carrying current. Yes, F is equal to, what is the formula? I1, I2. So either you can define the magnetic force per unit length is equal to mu naught upon 2 pi I1 into I2 divided by D anta ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. I1 into I2 divided by D ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. One more part. This is 1 mark question ಆಯ್ತಾ. So ಇದು 1 mark ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು question ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Give the nature of the force between the two parallel wires. Give the nature of the force between the two parallel conductors carrying current in the same direction. Attractive. Yes, very good. It is attractive in nature. It is attractive in nature. So go for the next question. Question number 24. Okay, attractive. Correct. It is. State and explain Gauss law in magnetism. So Gauss law in magnetism, how you will define? That is the flux, the magnetic flux through any closed surface is 0. The Gauss law in magnetism. So explain anta kelta idare. When they ask it for explanation, you just need to specify. So first statement bariri, then next you write the expression, then you explain the terms here. Then you explain the terms. Understanding? Go for the next question. Mention any two factors on which self-inductance of a long solenoid depends. Mention any two factors on which self-inductance of a long solenoid depends. So that is area, length, size, shape, material of the coil, medium. These are the factors which is affecting the self-inductance. Go for a question number 26. Briefly explain the construction of a transformer. Construction of the transformer. So it is asked for 2 marks. Just to show the diagram. Here they have not specified whether it is a primary transformer or a secondary transformer. So generally you just show the figure of the transformer. Then you can explain. So nane nil diagram hakalla just nane ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. That is basically the transformer consists of ಏನೇನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. That is the transformer consists of two inductive coils. It is consisting of two inductive coils. That is primary winding and the secondary winding coils irutte. These are electrically separated and magnetically linked to each other. When primary winding is connected to the source of the alternating voltage, alternating magnetic flux is produced around the winding. Okay, so you just explain. And here it consists of three types of transformers, like core, like shell type, core type. So mainly we define only two. So just other construction and explain ಮಾಡಿ. So this is little unexpected question ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Okay, so mainly transformer principle ಬರುತ್ತೆ, or they may ask the working. Construction first time they are asking. So just show that transformer and just explaining three, that is enough. Next, what is displacement current? What is displacement current? Give expression for the same. So this is from the electromagnetic waves. So displacement current is nothing but it refers to the rate of change of an electric displacement field over the time. That is called as the displacement current. Give the expression for the same anta ide. So what is the expression for the displacement current? It is given by, you just need to introduce ID in the expression. Here actually the displacement current term is given in four formulas. That is the ID is equal to, okay, what is that? Current due to time varying electric field. Yes, correct. That is displacement current definition is correct. Okay, so here the displacement current ID is equal to, we can write epsilon naught, the rate of change of the flux. Okay, this is the displacement current ID expression. Next, question number 28. Write the two conditions required for total internal reflection. So what are the conditions are required for total internal reflection? The total internal reflection, it is the object must be in the denser medium, correct? Object denser medium ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Then next, the angle of incidence must be greater than the critical angle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. These are the two conditions for the TIR, total internal reflection. Next question, students, that is differentiate conductors from the insulators on the basis of the band theory. Very recently we have discussed this topic. So here conductors and insulator ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, no need to go for the semiconductors. You just show the conduction band and show the valence band. Okay, here whatever the gap is there in between, it is nothing but the energy gap. Then in case of the conductors, these two are overlapped ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. In case of the conductors, the light ray traveling from denser to rays. Okay, so conductors, there is the overlapping between conduction band and the valence band, and in case of the insulators, there is a gap between them. Actually the gap is large, quite large compared to the semiconductors. So semiconductors alli large ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, insulators are large ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ compared to the semiconductors. Yes, yes students. So next we have part C question, that is 3 marks. Part D questions 5 marks and the numerical part. Yes. Now only we will go for the part C, or tomorrow we will continue for the part C. Yes, 3 marks we will see today or tomorrow. Yes, who all are there today? John, Meghna, Sita, Vedvati, Vinushri. ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡೋಣ, ನಾಳೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. 3 marks questions, 5 marks derivations and the numerical. Okay. So we will discuss few questions in the 3 marks. Then we will stop it and tomorrow we will go for the few more questions on 3 marks. So 5 questions complete ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. See, state and explain Coulomb's law and define 1 coulomb. Statement for the Coulomb's law, very simple question. So ಇದು ತೆಗ್ದಿಲ್ 1 to 2 mark ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. It is not that it will be asked in 3 mark only. State and explain Coulomb's law. The Coulomb's law state that the force is directly proportional to the product of the charges and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. And we can write this expression as that is F is proportional to Q1 Q2 divided by R square, and remove the proportionality sign and take the constant 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. So first write the statement, then write the expression, explain the terms. Q1 Q2 charge, R is the distance, epsilon naught is the permittivity. Okay, so define 1 coulomb anta helidare. How to define 1 coulomb? Yes, define 1 coulomb. So define 1 coulomb in the sense it is nothing but the unit of the charge. You have to define it as 1 coulomb. Yes, see here, that is we have I is equal to Q by T. Therefore, Q is equal to I into T. Here we require the charge as 1 coulomb. So charge 1 coulomb anbekandre when you have the current as 1 ampere for the time of 1 second, then it is said to be what? 1 coulomb. Okay. So this is the unit of the charge. Next question, obtain the expression for the potential energy of an electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field. Expression for the potential energy of an electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field. So this is from the second topic. One meter with a force of, yes, you can define that also, no problem. Okay, 1 coulomb ಗೆ ನೀವು ಆ definition ಕೂಡ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. That is, two similar charges are separated by a distance of 1 meter with and experiences a force of 9 into 10 raised to 9 Newton. That also you can write. Yes, usually we write it for the ampere. While defining the ampere, we use that statement. So 1 coulomb, you can use this statement, no problem. Okay. So expression for the potential energy. So potential energy, it is nothing but you have to go for work done. Then from the work done, you can write the expression for the potential energy, right? Yes, see here, that is you need to take a dipole. So either dipole agate which is placed in the magnetic field. Sorry, which is it? In the electric field. The dipole is placed in the electric field. It is making an angle theta. The separation between them is 2a. This is plus q charge and this is minus q charge. E is the electric field. Okay. As we know that the torque experienced by them, it is given by Pe sin theta. It is given by Pe sin theta. So potential energy means what? First we need to derive the work done. Therefore, the work done is equal to force into displacement, that is torque into the change in the angle because it is rotating with certain angle. Torque is equal to what? P sin theta into d theta. Okay. So this is the total work, that is small part of the work done. For the total work done, we need to integrate this equation. P sin theta into d theta from the angle theta 1 to theta 2. Okay. Now here take PE minus. So PE minus ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೋ PE ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Sin theta integration is minus cos theta, then upper limit minus lower limit, correct? And this work done is stored in the body as what? Potential energy. That is potential energy is equal to minus PE cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1, right? So later again you can substitute the value of theta 1, theta 2 as 0 and 90 degree. You can further simplify also. So just illige stop ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು in problem illa. So this is the expression for the potential energy of an electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field. Mention the limitations of Ohm's law. So what are the limitations of Ohm's law? So for that, the physical conditions must be kept constant. The Ohm's law is applicable for the ohmic devices. Okay, temperature must be constant. These are the conditions for the Ohm's law. Okay. So next questions we will continue in the next class, students. So next class ali continue madana the remaining questions, 3 marks as well as for the 5 marks questions. So next you have the maths class. So take a break, then you be ready for the maths class. Thank you.